Hello and welcome to our channel, and of course this new video tutorial is yet again about a beautiful nature weave dye collection. So as you can see, I have another weaving effect on the blank card. This time I'm using 7x7 square card, and this weaving effect is looser than the previous ones. Okay, so I'm going to show you the tight weaving, and now this is the loose weaving. So you can see that you can actually stagger them and separate the weaving lines, the weaving strips, okay, as far from the previous one as you want. So ultimately, as you can see, again, it creates a different effect, but it's beautiful anyway. Again, selection of wonderful flowers using our scalloped flower. I hope you watched that video tutorial, because literally I've made 30 flowers and now I can't decide which flower to use. It's really difficult. So so many different ones, and every single one of them it's really lovely. But in this tutorial I want to go with my Wheat Sprigs more into the sort of spread kind of wave. So I'm just going to go for one flower. I know so many flowers, and I'm going to use just one. But yes, one flower which is very ornate. I kind of selected this one. However, let me just show you that literally literally you can't really go wrong with the flowers that you've made. So this is the pink ornate 3-layered one. I mean, look, this looks, if you're making quick and easy cards and you want the background to be interesting, something different, I mean, look at this. It looks absolutely fabulous, right? So this one is, again, slightly on the simple side, but if you 3D that particular flower, it would still create a beautiful dimension. Right, so what I do have here is two of my reefs from the clock reefs, okay, two the same sizes, and then one slightly smaller. And what I want to do, as you can see on this one, I've separated this particular ring, because what I want to do is actually, in a way, weave this particular dotty reef between and over. I already got that. I'm just going to join these two ends so they are nice and secure. You can see it's something irregular, 3D, and interesting. So we can add something else to the mix, and what I am going to add is a dotty spiral, which normally I make it like to be a double one, but I'm just going to follow the same principle, and I'm going to give myself just enough to literally just go one layer. So exactly the same principle. So now that I have my dotty spiral in place, I'm just going to secure the these two ends. Right, and we're going to do something similar with using the smaller. And there you go. So now I can just trim in place and secure it here, and we will adjust the other parts. Right, so I've got my lovely two reefs, and we can start placing things in place. So there you go. This is how pretty it looks already, and we are now going to place a little bit of the natural fiber just here. for now. And now we can decide the flower. So I mean, they all look absolutely beautiful. So, okay, let's just decide that this flower is going to stay here for the time being. So we can start working with our wheat sprigs. Right, so I'm just curving my wheat sprig a little bit. Now, I want this reef to be slightly raised. So I think it would be rather nice if I just had one at the top and one underneath here, just like so. Okay, so we can keep maneuvering a natural fiber. And now I'm going to add the second wheat sprig. These are the larger ones. And we're just going to place a wheat sprig just there. And I think it's time to decide on our flower. So I think I will choose this one. Okay. And I'm just going to place this one on a little 3D pad. And now we can add the smaller wheat sprigs to the side. Okay, so that is looking rather lovely already. And now I'm going to use this lovely message from our typewriter messages about friendship. Okay, so now I'm going to add some beautiful gems that complement the scent of my flowers. Okay, so my card is almost done. I think I will need just one message, very delicate, that actually you get with the happy birthday reefs. And of course, I will just pop it just over my reef and underneath the flower. So I'm going to snip in one place. So I've got my happy birthday message, and I'm going to attach the ends of my happy birthday with the PVA glue. Okay, so I've decided to add a few more pearls to the base of my card, and I think that looks, well, more grounded at this point. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and I will see you very soon again. Bye bye for now. Take care.